Hi you guys, so today I will be doing some crochet on my little girl. I just found some hair in my closet and the loops were like really small, so I was like, ain't no way they gonna fit on my dookie braids that I be putting in my head. So I just put some braids in my baby's hair. I connected the tail and joined it to the next. And right here I'm just showing you what I used. I think this is just for me. The kids on her edges, they have an edge control paste. It's white, but then it clears. And then they also have like the cream that you put on your strands of your hair. And it makes it super easy to detangle. I'm not gonna lie, it smells good. Like I love this line. Like I saw somebody using it on I think TikTok, and I just tried it. I picked it up and tried it, and it slicked the edges down, and you know what I'm saying, it did its job. It moisturized the hair so I can detangle it, and it was super easy. But yeah, I will show you guys the crochet hair I used in a minute. But yeah, those little loops were not going to fit on my head, so I was like, why not do it on my little girl's head? But then I ended up taking the style out like the next day because it was like a little too grown. Y'all see the hair, it's like this Spanish curl crochet hair that I just never installed, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna try it on my little girl and see how it looks. But it was giving real grown, like, you know what I'm saying? I don't like grown hairstyles on little girls, like hair that's too long or too much weave. Like I don't like all that. So I took it out the next day. I let her wear it for one day, and I'll just take it out the next day. And we will be doing another style very soon, so y'all just stay tuned. But I braid underhand. You might not know what that means, but it's just when I just put my hands underneath the braid instead of over, like, you know, most braiders do. And right here I'm just showing you how I just connected the braid, put it into the other one, and keep on braiding down. This is how you get a flat base and flat surface for your install, and it just makes everything seamless, especially when you are using like wigs or installing wigs or anything like that. She's a little tender head. When I got to the back, her hair is fine for the most part, but in the back in some areas it is a bit thicker. So yeah, just be cautious that you're not braiding too tight and that you're not putting too much tension on these babies' edges and napes. Okay. And yeah, I think I'm going to be showing you guys the hair very soon. So just make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and stay tuned for more videos to come like this. I'll be back later on in the video to let you guys know what's going on. Let's get to crocheting, and y'all see how little the crochet hair is, like the little loop and the little skinny braid. Yeah, now y'all see what I was talking about. But I do not take the hook off. I just slide the hair all the way down and pull the end of the hair through that loop, and I pull it up gently. Just make sure you're doing it gently. And sorry y'all for all the background stuff that's going on. Like my baby was here and my son was here. Like everybody was up right now. Yeah, but y'all see it. Y'all see how skinny and little those crochet braids was. I wasn't going to be able to do that on my hair. So, yeah, I'm just showing y'all again how I install the crochet hair. Very easy. Very simple. Like, as you see it, that's how you do it. And you should install your crochet needle facing down. And right here I'm showing you guys 2 finger lengths apart. You don't need the hair right beside each other unless it's like you're on the part section of the hair. But yeah, crochet, space it out, and then go back in and fill it in. And as far as her edges, you don't want to do it right on her edges. You want to do it give it a little space and install the crochet back from the edge, if that makes sense. But yeah, you ideally want to start at the back of the head and just work your way around, but I like to start at the front. Right here, I'm showing you guys the correct way to put in your needle, going through the braid, not all the way underneath it. And also, I'm going to show you guys another technique where you go on like the scalp, put it through, make sure you're not hurting your client or whoever you're doing it to, and it'll fall right in between the braids, just like that. Alrighty, here we are. I saw all the hair that I could. And it still gives crochet. That's why I don't really like crochet, but it still gives crochet, but it's just like an hour and a half. So if you don't like sitting, just do crochet. But if you don't like how crochet looks, then don't do it. But yeah, I am trying to cut it so it won't be like hella hair on her head, but it still wasn't enough. So I ended up taking this out the next day because I just don't like her with a lot of weave in her hair. But yeah, I was cutting and these scissors won't hit on nothing, honey, nothing. But yeah, as you can see, her head is just falling all back. I'm like, Cass, you got to keep your hair straight, honey, while I'm cutting, because these scissors is not trying to go through. So yeah, I was going through it trying to cut, but I should have used my razors, my hair razors. I'm just showing you guys how the hair is like flowy. It's very silky, very pretty crochet. I got where they was going with it, but it's just not my cup of tea. And it's too much for kids. But yeah, I thank you guys for watching. I'm not going to talk through the entire video like I usually do. I hope you guys enjoyed and, got some tips from this video. There are plenty more to come. And honey, she was falling asleep. She was over it. But here you can see how it turns white. But then the edge control, it does turn clear. So, yeah, my baby girl was like, she was out of it. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Focus on me, baby. Can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, I only get this money, so I guess I keep coming.